A year ago, I didn't even know what no code was. I had never heard of Bubble or Webflow, and when someone explained it to me, I thought it sounded too good to be true. People told me no code is a trap. They said it doesn't work for real businesses, that it's just for amateurs or hobby projects. I thought building apps or websites requires endless line of code, hiring expensive developers. How could something as simple as dragging and dropping blocks actually work? It sounded ridiculous. But then I joined a no-code company, and what I saw blew me away. I looked at the projects they were building, real apps, real businesses, and solution powering startups and established brands. They weren't amateur hobby projects. They were polished, professional, and functional. Wow. One project was a marketplace connecting freelancer to clients. Another was a health app. And there were dozens more platforms. They were live, profitable, and scaling. That's when I realized maybe no code isn't a trap. Maybe it's a tool, a powerful one. And if this project could achieve so much, what was stopping me from giving it a shot? Since then, I have seen how no code transforms ideas into reality faster and more affordably than coding development. And while it's not without challenges, no code proving itself as the future of app and website building. But let's be real, the doubts didn't disappear overnight. Even after seeing these projects, I still had questions. Can no code handle complex projects? What about scalability? Isn't it risky to rely on a platform like Bubble or Webflow? And to be honest, these are valid concerns. But here's the truth. Most of the time, these aren't your biggest problems. Let's say you want to build a platform that connects dog owners with trainers. Do you really need an app that processes 1 million transactions per second on day one? No. What you need is something simple, something that works and gets your idea to market quickly, something that will help you to test your idea, to hear reviews from your friends, from your first customers, something that will help you to get money, to scale. Why not? Let me show you an example. Have you heard of Zapier? Today, Zapier is a multi-million-dollar company used by thousands of businesses to automate their workflows. But do you know how it started? On a no-code platform called Bubble. The founders didn't have time or budget to hire a huge team of developers. They used Bubble to build a simple working MVP in just a few weeks. That MVP got them their first customers, proved their idea, and launched their success. Think about that for a second. The next time someone says no code cannot build real businesses, remember Zapier. And it's not just them. Airbnb, Notion, even some features of Stripe, they all relied on speed and simplicity to test and grow their ideas. The secret? Fast execution beats perfection every time. No code gives you speed, the ability to test and launch faster than ever. No code empowers you to stop dreaming and start doing. Imagine this. You come up with an idea for an app on Friday. By the following Monday, you already have a working prototype to show your friends or potential investors. That's the kind of power no code puts in your hands. It's not just for startups either. Established businesses use no code to experiment with their new features, automate workflows, and improve internal processes. It's a game changer, not just for building, but for innovating at every level. Let's talk about challenges. No code isn't perfect. If you are trying to build something extremely complex like a platform with AI or millions of transactions per second, you will hit limits. You might also face scalability issues, outgrow the platform, and let's be honest, relying on no-code ecosystem means you will have to work within their rules and sometimes compromise on certain features. But here's the thing, for most startups, those problems come later. Right now, your biggest challenge isn't scalability, it's getting started. So, is no code a trap? No, the real trap is waiting too long to start. The real trap is thinking you need perfection before launch. The companies that succeed are the ones that execute it quickly, learn from real feedback, and adapts as they grow. And no-code is the perfect tool for that. No-code gives you the tools to build, test, and prove your idea faster than ever. And when you combine it with expertise, strategy, and the right team, that's when the things really take off. A year ago, I thought no-code was too good to be true. Today, I know it's the reason I have been able to turn ideas into reality. So, what's stopping you? Your dream app, website, or business could be live in weeks, not months. All it takes is decision to start. Are you ready to stop doubting and start building? Let's make it happen.